everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to make those tea-stained spoons sparkle like new without scrubbing? Let me show you this simple science-backed hack. Here's what you will need: aluminum foil, baking soda, boiling water, and of course your spoons, and a bowl. Step 1. Line a bowl with aluminum foil, shiny side up. Step 2. Place your tea-stained spoons on top of the foil. Step 3. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Step 4. Carefully pour boiling water until the spoons are fully covered. Now watch the magic happen. The baking soda and foil creates a chemical reaction which pulls the stains right off your spoons. Who knew cleaning could be this easy and fun? Try this at home. Share your results in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.